I'm showing a spicy manga inji pickle, and this recipe was shared to me by Balamani Mami. I really thank Balamani Mami for sharing this recipe. Cooking is a creative art and you may add or delete a few spices as per your wish. So Happy New Year to all of you. Hello everyone and welcome to Suga's Kitchen. So yesterday in our garden we harvested the mango inji or the manga inji, which is a very tasty root suitable for pickles, and this does not last too long, so you have to use it up or refrigerate it. It's a natural expectorant, that is it removes phlegm when you have a cough. It's an analgesic and it's a great appetizer. To eat with curd rice, it's one of the tastiest pickles. So this is how it looks, and we got about 7 kilos of it, and I have distributed to all my friends and neighbors here. I just kept some for myself. So what we have to do is, first you have to scrape the peel. Don't peel it with a peeler, but just do it with the knife, and then cut it into very fine bits like this. And for that I have to fry 1 spoon of dhania or coriander seeds, some red chilies according to the taste that you want, and about 15 grams of imli, and coarse salt, that is rock salt. It is always better to use rock salt for pickles. And a little bit of mustard, say half a spoon of methi. These are the things that you have to dry roast and grind. The imli you can soak in water and extract like this, a thick extract, and keep it. Just soak it in a little water, heat it and take a thick extract. So in this dry pan without oil, I am just roasting some coriander seeds, the red chilli, a little rock salt. Fry the rock salt a little, it's better to fry it, and then the methi and the mustard. So these have to be dry roasted on a very low flame till you get the aroma. After that, just run it through your small mixie, and I have the powder. It can be a little coarse. So now what we do is, we use only sesame oil for pickles. So I've taken a little sesame oil, and then I'm going to splatter some mustard seeds. In the meantime, let's just get this roasted. You have to dry roast it till you get a fine aroma of the ingredients. And the imli will preserve the mango inji for a time, but it won't last you like for 6 months to 1 year, maybe a month, but always better to refrigerate it. Now the mustard is crackled. I am bringing it to simmer and then adding the mango inji. Let's fry it in the sesame oil a little. I don't know how popular it is in North India, but in the South, especially among the Tamils, this is a very popular and well-liked pickle. And growing it in our garden was a real pleasure, because I just planted about 6 of those rhizomes like this, where the roots were there. And it gave me about 7 kilos of good manga inji. No preservative, no insecticide, no pesticide, nothing. This is roasted, so I've switched it off. And then when it's cooled, powder it like this. Add a little more of the sesame oil. This is from the This is the idayam actually, which I am using. Otherwise, if you have the chekku ennai or from the mill, you can use that also. Now I am adding the tamarind extract. The red chilli can be as per your, like how karam you want it or how spicy you want it. Now I am adding some turmeric powder and some hing. Now I must tell you about this tamarind. I have taken about 15 grams of tamarind and just soak it in a little water. Now after soaking, this tamarind is so good that it gives a very good extract, and what I have added to that, the residue left is just this much. So usually you will find lots of fiber and seeds, but this is from my neighbor's garden and she has cleaned it already. So the whole thing is the tamarind extract, leaving just a small residue. So this is how good the tamarind is in our Yeligiri neighbor's house. Now I will add the spices and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then we'll see what happens. So as you can see, it's well done now. The raw smell of tamarind is gone, and the sesame oil I've used like half a cup in this cup. You use it according to your the ingredients and the amount of manga inji that you use. So I've used about half a cup. Now the oil is leaving the sides of the pan, so it's time to switch off the gas and allow it to cool well. Let it cool nicely before you bottle it in sterilized bottle, and use only a dry spoon while taking it out, otherwise it will get spoiled. And enjoy eating the mango inji. These are seasonal pickles, so you should make use of it when you get it in the market. Buy, or if you have grown your own, make use of turmeric pickle or the manga inji or ginger pickle now. Thank you.